This is the update regarding the Lenovo EloQ model. The issues whatever I have been facing, I have uploaded in the previous videos, and this is being recorded on 28th of April. So yesterday, 27th of April, they replaced my motherboard, and after replacing my motherboard, I have done few tests, and I found out that the performance has dropped drastically. And there is a very peculiar problem that I'm going to show in this video, where while I'm playing the game, the laptop suddenly stops and it restarts by itself, or else I have to restart it, or else it doesn't work. So this is my Lenovo Eloque laptop where I'm playing a game. Let me show you what happens. So this is the FPS. We are able to see the FPS is coming very low, 30 to 27 like this. The FPS is coming very low. It increases when we go to a less graphic situation, but as soon as we come to a higher graphic situation, again the FPS drops. Happens is see, while I'm playing the laptop, suddenly what happens is it just becomes stuck. Nothing happens after this. Even if I try to turn it on, turn it off, nothing happens. See, I'm trying to do the press all the keyboards, but nothing is happening. And even if I try to press the Windows button, it doesn't happen. If I even if I want to start up the task manager and end this task, even then it is not possible. Then if I try to close the lid and open the lid, even that doesn't work. As you can see, I'm pressing all the buttons, but nothing is happening. Then see power button. Finally, what I have to do is press and hold the power button. Then it turns it off on itself, and again I have to restart it. So this is what the problem. And even when I'm working with the normal task, the laptop just shuts down on its own and restarts on its own. This is not a very good experience. This is the second time I'm replacing the motherboard, and even after that, it is causing so many problems. It's like after every repair, the experience with the laptop is worsening from time to time. This is the second part of the video where I was playing Red Dead Redemption 2 with very low FPS around 20, which I was getting. And even before the motherboard replacement, even after the first time motherboard replacement, I'm having very low FPS in this game. And even after the second time motherboard replacement, also I'm having a very low FPS. And after second time replacement, the laptop is just freezing at the moment and restarting on its own. I'll show you what happens. See, while I was playing the game, the laptop just freezed and nothing is working. Even I press any arrows, will not be able to move in the options. Escape key is not working. No keys are working. Even if I press the Windows key, nothing is happening. And then I try to open the Control Alt and Delete button by pressing Control Alt Delete button. I try to open the Task Manager and end to task, but Task Manager doesn't open. Even if I press the power button, nothing is happening. I close the lid and open the lid, but still nothing is happening. So what I had to do was press the power button finally, and the laptop shuts down, and then I have to restart it. If you look at the Cinebench R23 scores of i7 14700HX, it should come around 22,000 range of multi-cores, and a single core should come around 2000 range. This is the score of 14700HX. But if you compare to the 13700HX, it will come around 20,000 score. Now, initially, when I had brought the laptop, I was getting 22,000 scores with i7 14700HX before the motherboard replacement. But what happened is, after first time replacing the motherboard, that is 13/4/2024, my scores you can see it is coming 17,780, and single score is coming 1,104. This is very less compared to the what is being actually expected and what I was getting from it before doing the motherboard replacement. See, it is not even close to the 13th gen of Intel scores. This is the kind of quality of laptop that Lenovo is providing. How can the customer trust on Lenovo and invest on it? 17,000 really? And after the second time motherboard replacement, that is yesterday, 27/4/2024, my scores are gone even bad. It is going till 11,000. It's like I'm getting from 4-year old laptop from Lenovo. I don't know what kind of motherboards they are sending. I think they are sending the used motherboard of some previous year Intel laptops and making us suffer. Seriously, 11,000. This is not what I paid for. From 22,000 to 11,000. Is this what the Lenovo service you are providing? This is really very bad. Not only Cinebench, even 3D Mark test I have done. This is 3/3/2024. That is in 4 to 5 days after buying the laptop, the total score was coming 11,500. Whereas after the first time motherboard replacement, the score dropped to 7,600. And after the second time motherboard replacement, there was little improvement in terms of graphics. But if you compare it to the original motherboard, see, the graphics was coming 11,000, I'm getting 9,000, and the CPU score was coming 14,000, just getting 8,000. What kind of motherboard is Lenovo giving us? If it cannot give proper product, at least do a refund or replace it. So actually, if you go into the Lenovo terms and conditions policy, if you write in your serial number, you will be directed towards a page where we can find our terms and condition, Lenovo warranty terms, limited warranty terms and condition. If in this limited warranty terms and conditions, they have mentioned it clearly that if the service provider determines that it is unable to repair your product, then the service provider will replace it with one that is at least functionally equivalent. If the service provider determines that it is unable to either repair or replace your product, your sole remedy under this limited warranty is to return the product to your place of purchase or to the Lenovo for refund of your purchase item. What this sentence means that if Lenovo is not able to solve your problem even after multiple repairs, then that means it is not able to give you a remedy. Then, according to this terms and condition, they should provide me a refund or replacement. The company is denying not only for the refund but also for the replacement product. When I call the customer care, he tells that this warranty doesn't even exist. This is the warranty which is being displayed in your own Lenovo official website. And when we type our own serial number, this is the warranty which we get. Okay, that's fine. 7 days you have mentioned in some warranty and terms and conditions. When I ask them to send me the PDF, they don't even send that. They tell that it is not mentioned anywhere, sir. It is as a part of a good gesture, we are doing it. I don't know what, if you are not having proper documentation, this is your own documentation which says that if the product is not repaired after multiple attempts, you have to refund it. This is your own writing. If you are not acknowledging your own terms and conditions, what should I say? That means you are cheating the customer. Either the people who are working in the Lenovo premium care support, they are cheating the people, or the Lenovo itself have instructed their workers to cheat the people. This is the conclusion I can draw, because this is the original terms and conditions paper which was provided by the Lenovo, which is available online. And Lenovo premium care support cannot deny this because this is official one. So after multiple arguments with the Lenovo, they are still looking into these terms and conditions. Let me see what happens when you follow up. Still, my laptop is having issue. Every now and then it restarts on its own. Let's see what happens with this.